Hi, today we will talk about the derived column in SSIS. The derived column in SSIS available in data flow, and this transformation help helpful for me to do modification on my columns or create new columns on destination using one or multiple conditions. In my example here, I will show you guys here. In my example, I have two tables. First one called my employees, which is right here, and the second one called new employee. I added another three columns right here to the second table, which is the full name. Using the derived column in SIS, I'm going to combine the first and last name in order to create this column full name, and the age. I'm going to use the date of birth to get the age of the employee, and the updated date, it's the time or the date and time of the refresh package. Whenever the package is refreshed, it tells me the date of that package when this table been loaded. So let's jump started here. Let me call the source, which is will be my employee table, my employees, this one, and let's come here to drive column, show you guys. This is my derived column. I have the columns that I have here from the table, my employees, and this is the variables and parameters that you can use like to create for yourself, like um, let's say it's here the task name if you want to create the package name, ID. This all saved in the system. I'm going to use today the start time for the refreshed uh, package. Whenever the package is refreshed, it tells me the current time. So let's start with the first column, updated date, and here it's drag and drop in expression. Right here, my condition that I will add, it's called the start time. I will change the data type. That's where you can change your data type. Typecast. This one. This is where you can change your data type, drag and drop before your condition. And the second one is I'm done with the system variable. I'm going to create the full name, which is will be here the first name plus the last name. But you need to add a space between the first and last name. And let me see here. The last one is the date of birth. And the date of birth I'm going to use in a date div. I will call age, and here the date div that I can find the differences between the start and end date, which is the date of birth, and get a date. The start date is date, where is it? Date of birth, sorry. Here, what I have to say by year, and the end date is today. like get a date. This is where I will pull the age. Now press OK, and this the destination. That will be the new table, the new employees right here. Make sure you are mapping the columns between the input column and the destination. And let's see how it works. This is the new one. By the way, here I'm creating a new columns. But if you want to do any modification on your exist columns on your source, you have to select like replace date of birth in case if you want to do any modification on your current column. But if you want to create a new one, so you have to say add a new column. And now let's run it and see how it works. Okay, I have 9 columns, has been refreshed. Let's go back here and execute it. See guys, I have here the full name, which is the combine between the first and last name right here. And this is the age that I pulled the age from here. And this is the updated date, which is it's in a system that's pull for me the current date whenever the package is loaded. So this is how I use the derived column in SIS. I hope you guys enjoyed my watching my video and see you for next videos. Thank you.